Most people see two similar practices and just tap the one with more reviews because it feels safer. Here's an easy system to make sure you're the one they click. When a patient visit happens, your HIPAA-ready communication platform or practice software notes the visit type. AI drafts a short, empathetic follow-up that checks how they're feeling, invites questions, and gently asks for a review with a direct link. Then, the software sends the message at a good time, maybe early evening or the next morning. Multiply that by every visit, and you get more reviews. Fresher reviews, a higher average rating, and way more patients clicking on you instead of scrolling past. But what about all the people who almost chose you and then disappeared? People who scheduled and no-showed. People who got a treatment plan and never started. Longtime patients who quietly stopped coming back. Here's how AI can help. Start with 2 or 3 campaigns like Mr. Canceled Appointments, Treatment Plans Not Started, Patients Not Seen in 12 or more months. Each group gets a slightly different, empathetic message written with AI, sent at predictable times using your HIPAA-ready communication platform. Okay, now, what happens when someone does an email, doesn't fill out a form, doesn't respond to a text, they just call? It's a friction point nobody wants to admit is a problem, but every practice struggles with it. The phone. You've probably said at least one of these. We're always slammed. We try to return voicemails. People hang up before we get to them. An AI receptionist designed to never miss a call can change that. And when I say an AI receptionist, I'm not talking about
press 1 for customer service.
I'm talking about an assistant that can answer instantly, understand natural speech, transfer to the right human, or collect details if all lines are busy. Here's a taste.
I use an albuterol inhaler as needed, and I took a generic allergy pill this morning.
Thank you. The soonest appointments are tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. or Monday at 2 p.m. Which works better?
And here's the important part. It doesn't replace your team. It protects your team from being overwhelmed and protects your patients from feeling ignored. In fact, if you want to see what Nextiva's AI receptionist feels like from the patient side, follow this link. It's in the description too, and try it for yourself.